Tech is ruling the world, and so humans are letting it be ruled by innovative tech like artificial intelligence. Be it a small kid watching their favorite rhymes on a tab, a student studying online, a businessman working from home, or a trader analyzing day-to-day graphs, or a senior citizen listening to calm old songs on Alexa. Every small thing after you wake up until you sleep is driven by AI. Agreed or not? In a few years, technology is going to conquer the world with its uniqueness, and soon artificial intelligence tools will be more in demand than humans. That sounds funny, right? But this is the reality check. Hey AI lovers, welcome back to AI Science, where everything rolls around fascinating and latest news about AI and its interesting applications in the developing tech world. For all such news and updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of those crazy AI updates. When talking about everything about AI and its super benefits, it has evolved in every space, from healthcare to defense to much more. This technology is developing steadily, but the potential it has is enormous, and this will soon be evident through all the benefits we will look for. Be it individuals at home or a working professional or a businessman, everyone is enjoying the advantages of AI in their life. Let's glimpse some advantages in individuals' life and then from the business perspective. Number 1. Improvement in workplace safety. Artificial intelligence has super qualities, and hence they don't get stressed, tired, or sick. These are very commonly spotted in human beings after they work for long hours or even when they're working at dangerous sites. With the implementation of AI tools, computers can be more intelligent and can make humans safer than they were before at their workplaces. AI is updating humans time to time by tracking their workout schedules, sleeping hours, and is accordingly recommending training to prevent repetitive stress injuries or something like that. An AI program that is specifically designed for safe working environments, called Automated Intelligent System for Assuring Safe Working Environments, is aiming to minimize workplace accidents and human errors so that humans can safely work in a positive environment. Number 2. Offers suitable conditions for people with disabilities. Thanks to the innovative artificial technology which gave birth to super tools like Siri, Alexa, and Cortana, perform our endless tasks with just a single command, provided you have a smartphone and a good internet connection for navigating them. Those bunch of people who have difficulty in communication is now super lucky to have AI in their lives, which is making their life colorful and much simpler than it was before. There are specially designed apps like VoiceOver, Wheel Map, Smart Lighting, Smart Plugs, which assist those bunch of people in their day-to-day activities. Most importantly, people with mobility and cognitive disabilities are now living independent and happy lives. Number 3. AI has played a major role in making our life easy-peasy. With AI technology, you can now easily avoid a traffic jam patch and choose a different road to reach early at your destination. You no longer switch between channels to watch your favorite movie anytime in a day. You are not forgetting to add eggs to your grocery shopping thanks to a digital assistant in your refrigerator. These marvels are just possible and making your life convenient because of super AI technology and its amazing applications. To keep your health on track and maintain water levels in the body, we need not go for regular checkups. We have smartwatches that are smartly taking care of our health. In a COVID era, gyms were closed and you were locked up in your rooms thanks to AI-enabled fitness apps who assisted you daily to keep you fit and fine. Even your life is entirely dependent on a smartphone and fingertips. From reminding you to go for a business meeting to doctor's appointments for parents, helping surgeons in operations by providing minute details to the approval of loan within minutes. With AI, life is easier, convenient, and even aiding to increase the standard of living of human beings. This was everything from an individual's perspective. Now let's dive in and look at all the advantages from business perspectives. Number 1. Reduction in human error. Taking into consideration you are a product analyst and you cannot detect a small crack or a defect in the product, and the entire lot is defective. Believing you are a data analyst in the company and you miss one entire data set for analysis. In such cases, chances are pretty high of you suffering huge losses in the business because of ignorance or human limitations. Here, where AI plays a vital role in all the sectors, be it healthcare, education, business, or name any profession. Artificial intelligence can be applied in various situations to detect small cracks, defects, or something undetectable by the human eye. With proper AI tools, every business or any work will be completed with amazing accuracy. We all think these machines are built of metals and do not have some precise qualities, but these machines have the best body, which is resistant and can be friendly in any atmosphere. So implementing AI in every step can help better performance and generate specific algorithms to reduce human errors. Number 2. Smart decision results in solving complex problems. Decision-making was quite a thirster process, as most of the time in the business decisions were taken hierarchically. That took a long time, and sometimes that could even lead to losses if the problem is not conveyed properly to the decision maker. But now we have an AI that helps with coordinating data delivery, helps in analysis of data, studies the consistency of the outcomes, forecasts and quantifies uncertainties. All these activities are done within a couple of minutes, and the smart decision is also taken, which helps in the development of the business. But what if we have complex problems? AI technology is engaged in a deep learning model which helps in solving complex problems with ease and quickly. Whether it is weather forecasting or medical diagnosis, AI is spread overall, and its supreme qualities help to find the best solutions and finally increase efficiency in the business, and most importantly decrease the costs. One of the best things about the decision-making process is AI is emotionless and runs its algorithms purely based on data available. Hence, it remains unbiased, and whatever may be the matter, complex or easy, it will find the best and right solution to help the business in the long run. Number 3. AI helps in managing monotonous tasks. Employees, after a point, get bored of doing repetitive tasks, which not only consumes their time but also wastes their valuable energy on tasks that can be replaced by someone. Thankfully, we have AI-powered robotic process automation tools that coordinate between different business systems and make the repetitive tasks easy and complete them within no time. This will save on humans' energy and time. Most importantly, AI-powered tools will be processing monotonous business operations quickly without any human intervention. Because of this, human beings can work on operations that need their valuable time and energy. Number 4. Automation has resulted in enhanced customer experiences. Automation, because of AI technology, has made significant impacts on the communications, transportation, consumer product, and service industry. Automation and technology has not only increased production yield, but has also improved the quality of services and products, reduced lead time, and importantly, superior safety. With improved quality of services and products, businesses were able to concentrate on customers' feedback and queries. Now, every company has its website with a chatbot that solves your queries in a blink of an eye. These chatbots are designed through AI with natural processing technology that will provide customers with personalized replies. Overall productivity has shot up because of automation, and improvising in the quality of services and products have attracted customers. With everything available in convenience and ease, customers are highly satisfied with products and companies only because of the implementation of AI technology. Number 5. Increased business efficiency. Every aspect of the business is improvising because of the superior role of AI technology. With 24 hours availability of services, companies can perform great and are consistent with their results. Who would not like a product from a company that is tech-savvy, successful, consistent, customer-centric? Every task we just mentioned is taken care of by AI tools and is completed without employees getting bored and wasting their valuable times. Finally, companies can achieve their core goal of increased business efficiency, stress-free employees, satisfied customers, and companies developing enormously without any manual intervention by humans. Do let us know in the comments what you think about AI and its dazzling future. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the news rolling around AI and its applications for the developing tech-enabled world. If you liked the video, click on the like button and the small bell icon to not miss out on any of the updates. That said, see you in the next video.